Inside this bottle holds a memory. Some are dreams. Some are pain. Some are happiness hidden. Shh! Don't throw away plastic bottles. Here are 5 stunning decor pieces you can make for a zero-waste home. From stylish vases to modern lamps, sustainable and beautiful.
Ditch the expensive chemicals. Transform your kitchen ingredients like honey and sugar into luxury skincare. Get that natural, healthy glow right at home. Subscribe to
Mastering summer wellness. Here are 5 quick hacks to stay cool. 1. Hydrate with lemon water. 2. Eat water-rich fruits. Art has no limits, and neither does my imagination. I've always wanted to create something truly unique, and here it is, a masterpiece made entirely of thousands of silver spoons from every single. They say art has no limits, and creativity can be found in the most everyday objects. I took thousands of simple silver spoons and decided to turn them into something